These side jobs will make you some quick cash. Here are the 10 side jobs you need to try to make some fast money. These side jobs have the lowest overhead with the highest income potential. Number 1, blogging. A blog is an online journal or website that includes your thoughts or expertise on a particular subject, such as food, fashion, travel, personal finance, etc. To make money from a blog, you update it regularly with interesting and useful content so people will visit your blog, allowing you to build your traffic and grow your readership. Once you've built a steady stream of traffic, you can monetize it via affiliate marketing, advertising, or selling products such as eBooks and online courses. Number 2, run Facebook ads for businesses. Facebook has a highly targeted advertising platform. Businesses can use it to get their ads in front of an audience that meets certain age, interest, or behavior criteria. By learning how to utilize the Facebook ad system and creating persuasive promotions, you can set up and manage profitable campaigns to help business owners capture leads and grow their business. Number 3, freelance writing. In a freelance writing side hustle, print or online publications pay you to produce quality content for their websites. This content may be in the form of blog posts, landing pages, white papers, or case studies. As a freelance writer, you may be paid per word or per article. This is a lower cost alternative to the company than hiring full-time staff writers. Businesses may also hire you on a freelance basis to provide copywriting services for their ads, brochures, email campaigns, and other marketing collateral. Number 4, the virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you get to choose the services you actually offer. For example, you can provide customer service and administrative support by scheduling appointments, managing databases, or planning travel arrangements. You can also offer more creative services like planning events or managing social media. Your efforts save business owners time so they can focus on other tasks. Number 5, proofreading. Proofreading involves carefully examining text to look for and correct grammar, spelling, and style mistakes. Bloggers, authors, and even court reporters hire proofreaders to ensure their articles and other written documents are ready for publication or distribution. You can proofread for all types of clients or choose a niche like education, law, or finance. Number 6, SMM or social media management. Businesses of all sizes use social media to promote their products and services, position themselves as industry leaders, and create brand awareness. With a social media management side hustle, you can earn great money by managing the accounts of various businesses. You'll create engaging content, post it, and interact with fans or followers on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and other social media platforms. Number 7, writing eBooks. eBooks are books that can be delivered or downloaded electronically or online. Anyone can write an ebook about virtually any topic and sell it to earn money. You can create a website with a shopping cart or PayPal link and manage the entire process yourself. Alternatively, you can work with a third-party site like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and pay them a commission every time you make a sale. Number 8, Renting your home on Airbnb. Airbnb is an online marketplace that connects property owners with travelers in their area. If you like the idea of renting out a room in your home or your entire home to make some extra cash, becoming an Airbnb host may be a great option. It's particularly convenient if you have a room or area of your home, like a basement with a private entry that you rarely use. It may also make sense if you travel frequently for personal or professional reasons and would like to earn money while you're away from home. Number 9, tutoring. Tutors help students better understand a subject. You may tutor a high school or college student in chemistry or calculus, or a second grader in English. As long as you consider yourself patient and an expert in a specific subject, you can earn additional income by tutoring. You may offer tutoring services to young children, teenagers, college students, or even adults. Depending on the age and location or your students, you can meet at their homes, coffee shops, local libraries, or virtually. Number 10, start a podcast. This is a pretty viable option, especially if you have some sort of social media presence on any platform. For example, I have a podcast available everywhere you can listen to a podcast and have been able to start making money instantly. And you don't have to be a viral sensation, but simply just putting in the effort to put out a podcast can be a way to make money pretty much instantly. And also people can support a podcast as well, especially if they're listening to it via Anchor, which is what I use to push it out. But there's many ways that you can monetize a podcast, but nowadays it's actually quicker to monetize a podcast than it is like a YouTube channel or a Facebook page. Not to mention, it's something productive you can do while still staying at home if you're still in lockdown. Check out 40inbox.com and check out our Instagram at 40inbox and become a master of your money. Feel free to watch more episodes.